with his head. So we're gonna start with a big old line right about there. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna make his ears. So have a nice long line up there, all curvy like, and bring it on back down like that. Now we're gonna do his second ear. Maybe up a bit like this. That's looking nice. And we'll bring it back down in and around like that. There we go. Now Pokemon's face is a bit round here like that. Come around the other side like that. And we'll give him some cheeks around there. And about there. Looking nice. And now Pokemon's eyes. Right about there. Big round circles. Big round circles spaced out quite a bit, almost to the edges of his face. Little tiny nose like that. And then his mouth. Like that. That. And a big old smile down like this. That's nice. Let's not forget his tongue. There we go. And a little bit of highlight in his eyes. There. And there. That's nice. Now we can do his body. Let's make his arms here. This way. Give him some fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. That's looking good. And you can look over here with this arm here. There's his thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lovely. And his hand here. And bring it on down like that. We're looking good now. Pokemon's body's a little dumpy like. Kind of coming around like that. And a little bit like that. Looking nice. And then we can draw his feet. Come along like this. And that. And the same over here. Just like that. Looking good. Let's not forget his toes. 1, 2. 1, 2. That's nice. And the bottom here. And there. Alright, what do we got left? His tail. His crazy tail. Zigzaggy tail. Whoop. Behind his hand like that. And then we can come back out like here. Right about there. Down like lightning. There, 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 and there. We'll bring a little squigglies here. Color in that later. And now we can just make his cheeks. 1 there. And 1 there. There we go, everybody. Pokemon. Oh, let's not forget his ear tops. Perfect. Now for color. Yellow for his body. Red for his cheeks. Brown for the base of his tail. Pink for his tongue. And black for his eyes, mouth, and ears. Thanks, everybody.